how much money can I make driving DoorDash on a $3.50 per delivery bonus? So we have 3 hours until 8:30 p.m. Place your bets, cross your fingers. I hope it's going to be busy. All right, not bad. $20, pretty good. And I actually got that stacked request a little bit after the first one. So remember that, especially if you're parked like right outside the restaurant. Give it a second and hopefully see a stacked request come in. So the shift continues. Let's see if we can keep it up. $20+ per hour. Doing pretty good so far. A little bit under $70, but we got about 25 minutes on the $3.50 bonus. So I'm waiting by another hotspot, and one more stacked order would be perfect for how much time I have left. So now it's time to go over the numbers. I feel pretty good about the shift, but let's see what the numbers say. So tonight's slightly shorter shift was from 5:30 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. And you saw we had some big stacked orders tonight. So everything totaled up $88.50 in gross revenue. That gives us $29.50 in gross revenue per hour. And during these 3 hours, I kept up with the average that I typically see, about 2 deliveries per hour. In a total, I completed 6. And nicely, all 6 left a tip, and I saw some higher tips tonight. That equaled a higher average of $7.33 per tip. And total business miles while delivering was 45. Taking that and multiplying by our standard IRS tax deduction, that gives us a deduction of $25.88. So subtracting that tax deduction, that gives us a net revenue per hour before taxes of $62.62. Or a net revenue per hour of $20.87. So this was a great short shift, in my opinion. We got multiple stacked orders. That's always a good sign to tell you that that marketplace is busy. And then combining that with pretty much good luck combined with good service for those higher tip amounts. I feel like anytime you can make over $20 an hour after the tax deduction, that is a strong shift. But let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and make sure to check out the first link in my description. That's from my Amazon storefront for the very best accessories for your side hustle. Click or tap the screen now for my most recent video, as well as a video recommended for you, and I'll see you in the next one.